What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into timesheets, one of the most valuable tools for project tracking, client billing, and performance evaluation. As a payroll manager, I'm responsible for validating and submitting timesheets. Poor timesheet descriptions like meeting or worked on project make it unclear which hours are billable or even valid. In addition, missing company tags or blank descriptions break compliance trails and slow down audits. These inaccurate or rushed entries create payroll errors, forcing payroll managers to chase clarifications. And timesheets should make payroll easier, but too often they actually create extra work, risk, and uncertainty. That's where AI comes in. With Odoo AI, every entry is checked for quality with just a click. The system flags vague descriptions, encourages clearer logs, and helps turn timesheets into a reliable source of truth for progress tracking, client trust, and team traceability. AI integration with timesheets keep error rates below 2% and increase time savings by 30% in comparison to manual audits and quality checks. So, let's jump into our database and see how this works. We're starting off on our timesheets dashboard, and from here, we're just going to click timesheets at the top, followed by all timesheets. So this page right here shows me all of the timesheets for all the employees in my database and is a similar view to what your payroll team would see. To quickly quality check all of the timesheet descriptions, we're going to move into the list view by clicking the list view icon on the right side. Those familiar with Odoo may notice this description quality column. This column is not standard and has been added with Studio and utilizing Odoo AI. If we click the Studio icon at the top right of our screen, select this description column, and find our prompt section on the left menu, we can click into it and see exactly how this works. Here, we're telling the AI to rate each description from good, needs more context, missing tag, or bad. And below that, we have the criteria that we want the AI to follow. So this is what Stealthy Wood uses, but this may vary on how your company operates. From here, all we have to do is click Discard, followed by Close Studio, so we can see how this all works. Let's go ahead and check out our first example, which is a timesheets description from Mitchell Admin. Here, on project AGR Sales Order 27, we have Mitchell Admin's timesheets description. And right off the bat, this looks very solid. We can see that includes two different tags, which is email and conference, as well as a fairly lengthy description. Now, let's see what AI thinks of this, and we're just going to click into the description quality column and click on this AI button. And as expected, we're getting a description quality rating of good. But let's check out another timesheet description, this time from Beth Evans. For Beth, we're going to check out this R&D project, and the description is Training Emma, the new hire. Let's see what AI thinks. Look at that. This time we get a missing tag result, since this description has some context but does not fully meet our desired criteria. However, if we were to paste in a tag and redo this quality rating, we now get a rating of good. Let's try one more. If we scroll down to Keith Bird, looks like there's no time entry description at all. So in this case, if we click on the AI description quality button, we're going to get a rating of bad. Now I know I need to reach out to Keith and tell him that he needs to go back and fix his time entry description since it's missing tags and a description. And that's how Odoo AI turns vague or incomplete entries into clear, consistent project records. By flagging issues automatically, managers save time, employees stay accountable, and clients gain confidence in work being billed. In addition, project managers spend less time chasing employees for corrections, while sales teams can quote more confidently with future work, improving win rates. With AI handling quality checks, your team can spend less time fixing timesheets and more time driving projects forward efficiently. Thanks for watching, and like always, I'll see you in the next video.